Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see, I have a dynamic wallpaper in my system. So many of you would be wondering like how is it possible or how to get this type of wallpaper. Even this is not just the one of it. There are multiple versions of it. As you can see, this is a live Republic of Gamers video like playing in back, or you could just see it as a GIF. But how do you use it in your as a desktop background? With this software you can see all varieties of dynamic wallpapers in your background. So this one is really cool and looks beautiful in the as a desktop background, and you could even go for the audio visualizer one. So I have customized this one. If I just play one song, so according to song beats, this would visualize the song, so you could do your work and enjoy the same, like enjoy this beauty of audio visualization in the background. So let us go with the installation, and even we can see others as well. There are many other versions of it. So this is one version of it, triangle and light. So wherever you go on your desktop, see it highlights that part. So with this you won't lose track of your cursor. So isn't this cool? So let us see how to like get all these effects. So this is the software Lively Wallpaper what we will be using. So you could just go to the website Lively Wallpaper, and once you have reached to the website, go to downloads and get the installer. So I have the installer already with me, so I will go directly to the installer part. So you have got the installer, so double click on it, install it the same way, like do everything whatever is required or as per the whatever the wizard tells you to do. So just go next, accept the agreement, next, create a desktop menu, start with Windows if you want. And one thing to note guys, that it will consume more battery than normal. So if you want this light you to use this wallpaper, use it while it's on, while your laptop is put on charger, and if it's a desktop then there's no issue, there's no power issue, but yeah, it looks cool. So if you're going with it, just make sure that you don't use it on battery power, you don't launch it that way. So since I have launched this one, now it will be launching. Okay, so it is launched, but you won't be seeing this much of options. You will be seeing just a handful of options for the wallpaper thing, maybe this one or the visualizer one, not even the visualizer one. There will be handful of it, but if you want all these type of wallpapers, this is the matrix rain customizable wallpaper. So if you want all of these, I do have the files. There are all these files which I have downloaded from here and there. You don't have to click on each and every, you don't have to search for all of them. I will include them in the link. You can go and download it from there. So yeah, download it and just go there on this plus button, then browse the file. So you go to the directory where you have downloaded all those folders, and just, if you have a video as well, just click on the video and open. So when you just click on the video and open it, it gives you this preview. So you just create it and see it's now creating, and when it's created, you just click on that video and it will be like applied to your wallpaper. You want COVID-19 country map, there's this one, so it will take some time to populate. Yeah, so now it's working. As you can see, if I click on India, as of now it says no data. It will take some time, it will sync with the internet. So you could just move this globe and see how interactive it is. It gives the real-time count of how's the what are the cases all over the world regarding COVID. Or you could use this one, fluid simulation. So this one is somewhat more graphic intensive. So as you can see how beautiful it is. So everything is on you. You could install, you can use it for any installing any wallpaper, any videos. You can play it in your background, and there are multiple features of it. You can use it in real time. So I will just show you one more. There's one video I will add. Browse. Yeah, this is the video. I imported video and it will take some time. It's done. See, it plays the music as well. And if you go to some other window, so it's playing that video in real time in my background, and I can do anything. And if you open any other window, it will pause itself. So this is a very nice feature of it. You could even have it like, you can even change the settings so that it plays all the time, even when you open any other window. So isn't this cool? I will show you some others as well. See, simple system. This one gives you system information. So this one gets everything. Yeah, so my internet usage, my RAM usage, everything it gives in real time. If I click on any of the components, it will tell me, maybe it's not supported, there are some drivers required. It will tell me like what is my graphic card, what's my processor, wherever I click. So once you have installed Lively Wallpaper software in your system, there would be very limited number of wallpapers what you will be getting, but to add more, what you can do is just click on add wallpaper, browse, and you can go to the directory and select these files. I will be uploading, I will be giving a link in my description. You can go to that link and download all of these files. And this is one of the file visualizers. So this is audio visualizer, so just import it. So this has come here, and if I just put it, if I select this one and play any song, you could see that there is this audio visualization. You can even customize this audio visualizations, or you can customize other wallpapers as well. So I will show you how to customize this one. So right now the song is playing. I will go to customize option, then browse. I can add an image background and select that image. It should come in the background. Use image as a background. So see, as you can see, this image has come in the background, and this bar, whatever bar is there, I will customize that as well. So I will put it down, and I will push it this way, and I will increase spectrum scale. By this time it should be fitting the above the taskbar. Okay, so just somewhat more configurations required. So customize, X position I will adjust. Now it's adjusted. Everything seems to be fine. Okay, and I will increase the bar height. I will increase the neon effect as well. Now it's completely customized. It works as per the audio whatever is playing. So this is how you add a new wallpaper and customize it. So you could make your desktop look great with all this wallpaper in this software. There are many others, you would like all of them, so feel free to ask any questions, or you can download all of these from the download link given below. So that's it guys, meet you in the next video.